Hello everyone, my name is Vishwa Mohan. I am CIO of Physics Wallah and I also lead your favorite upskilling platform PW Skills. Today in this video I am going to talk about few very important things. First of all, I would like to reiterate upon कि भैया PW Skills है क्या? What we want to bring for you people, what are the things which is there in the pipeline. And then secondly, I'll talk about few very important announcements which would be very helpful to you people. So let's get started. Sir, if I talk about the modern world, one of the beautiful things in the today's landscape is no matter which college you come from today, no matter which degree you bring to the table, today no matter typically where you are working correctly, but if you bring the right set of the skills, that's what make you employable. So at PW Skills, we run with a single motto or philosophy. What Physics Wallah says, that we want to bring you the best content, the best upskilling courses for you, but at the same time ensuring that we are highly affordable. Before I joined Physics Wallah, I have taught at almost all the big 𝐒𝐿𝐻 in India and abroad. And trust me, most of their data science courses and full stack has been recorded by me, which cost in lakh. We at PW Skills had ensured that almost all our batches are at least 1/20th times less expensive, more cost effective than any other edtech platforms in India. But still, we hear a lot of your comments, your suggestions to the different surveys that we run, and we understand that many of us still are not able to afford this highly affordable batches. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I am very happy to announce few more super affordable batches for you, which will ensure that your path to success is not getting impacted because of the financial reasons. और इसी को नजर में रखते हुए we have started and launched 3 very super affordable batches. The one is Decode Data Science with Machine Learning. The other is Decode Full Stack Web Development, and the third one is Decode Java with Data Structures and Algorithm. Before I go and talk about that why these courses और हमने इसी से starting क्यों करी है, let me talk about that. What do we need as a college students, as a professionals to make it big in the industry? सर अगर मैं हाई लेवल में आपको बताऊं आज के डेट में to make it big in the IT sector, you just need 3 things. पहला, you should know a programming language to write code. उसमें कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज हो सकता है, आप पाइथन में लिख सकते हो, आप जावास्क्रिप्ट में लिख सकते हो, आप जावा में लिख सकते हो. But you need to master one programming language so that you know how to write code. That's very important. अब प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज से आपको कोड लिखना आ गया, बट एवरीवन टुडे इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड इज टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पीड, नीड फॉर स्पीड, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, फास्टर कैलकुलेशंस, एंड दैट्स वेयर द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हिच कम्स इनटू द प्ले इज डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड एल्गोरिथम, which will help you write optimized code. With programming language, you know how to write the code, but with data structures and algorithm, you know how to write more efficient code, जिससे आप ज़्यादा डेटा को सेव कर पाओ, जिससे आप फास्ट कैलकुलेशंस कर पाओ. तो ये 2 चीजें हो गई. But sir, no one in this world will take you for job for solving questions on Geeks for lead code. Everyone wants you in their company because they want you to solve their problems, build products, create products which can earn them dollars, money. So तीसरी जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज अब यहाँ पे है वो है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एप्लीकेशंस बनाते कैसे हैं. आज के जो मॉडर्न एप्लीकेशंस लाइक फेसबुक, गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, लिंक्डइन, भैया ये बनता कैसे है. एंड जस्ट एप्लीकेशन इज नॉट इनफ टुडे इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. One of the most impactful career today is that a software developer who knows how to write the efficient code but also knows how to make it smart, how to involve machine learning into it. Everyone is talking about artificial intelligence, chat GPT, AI. आज हम उस दौर से गुजर रहे हैं जहां पे we cannot ignore AI. So इन सारे फाउंडेशन जो कि आज की डेट में आपको चाहिए to crack the big companies of this world, हम 3 बड़े अच्छे एफोर्डेबल, सुपर एफोर्डेबल मैं इसको बोलता हूं, कोर्सेज लेके आ रहे हैं. जावा, डिकोड जावा में डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एल्गोरिथम, जहां आप सीखेंगे एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज और DSA कैसे करते हैं. फिर हम लेके आ रहे हैं डिकोड फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपमेंट, जहां पे आपको बताया जाएगा कि आज के मॉडर्न डे में अगर आपको एप्लीकेशंस बनाने हैं जैसे मेक माई ट्रिप, बुक माई शो, उसमें एप्लीकेशंस बनाते कैसे हैं. And last but not the least, to ensure that you're ready for the future, आपको पता है कि मशीन लर्निंग डेटा साइंस है क्या, उसको एप्लीकेशन से कैसे इंटीग्रेट करते हैं. वी हैव आल्सो ब्रॉट दिस डिकोड मशीन लर्निंग. सो इन दिस सीजन ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स, दिवाली का टाइम आ रहा है, वी आर इंश्योरिंग दैट we are bringing all those kind of skill sets which are pretty hot in the market, जो आपको चाहिए आज के डेट में अपना करियर अच्छा बनाने के लिए. तो what are you waiting for? Enroll in this courses because ये सिर्फ आपको कोर्सेज के फॉर्म में नहीं मिल रहा है. We are giving you the complete platform. And by complete platform, what do I mean? आपको जो कंटेंट दिया जाएगा, पढ़ाया जाएगा, we do a proper hand holding. Every day you get the multiple channels for your doubt support. आपके पास live chat doubt support होगा, आपके पास email के थ्रू आप doubt solve कर पाएंगे, आप अपने mentor से क्लास में पूछ पाएंगे. So there are multiple channels where we do a lot of hand holding for you. If that was not enough, with this entire course you also get free PW Skills lab. अब भैया ये labs क्या है? I understand that most of us who comes from very humble background, मे बी हमारे पास एक अच्छा लैपटॉप ना हो, एक बेसिक लैपटॉप हो जहां पे अगर आप कोडिंग करते हो तो आपका लैपटॉप हैंग हो जाता है. इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड ऑल सच थिंग, जब आप PW स्किल्स में इनरोल होते हो, यू गेट अ फ्री एक्सेस टू PW स्किल्स लैब. मगर कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर आपको पाइथन में कोड करना है, मशीन लर्निंग में कोड करना है, अगर आपको जावा में कोडिंग करनी है या एक रिएक्ट का एप्लीकेशन बनाना है, यू जस्ट हैव टू स्पॉन a cloud environment, but a simple sub, just button few clicks and you are able to launch an environment where you can do as heavy computation as possible. So भले आपका एक simple सा laptop है, through this PW skills we ensure that it becomes a super fast system where you can write and code anything. So what else do you need to think to join this course? It's a super affordable course, the best content that you can imagine in this world right now with a lot of supports. So please make sure that you are making a wise call, making the right investments and you are actually investing in your skills, because आज के डेट में एक skill is what you need.